Hey guys, Mrs. Fulton here. I would like to review glued sounds, also known as welded sounds today. Remember, glued and welded sounds are letters that keep their individual sound but are glued together. Remember, we will spell the glued sound, we will say the picture, and then we will say the sound. Please repeat after me. A-L-L, ball, all. A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. Awesome job, guys. Keep up the great work.